In this video, we will learn how to fix api-ms-win-crt-filesystem-l1-1-0.dll is missing. So let's begin. So the solution is really easy and simple. Simply go and open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, go and type in your error and go to simply the download. And here you would be seeing multiple websites. Simply go, I would prefer the STS tutorial. So simply go and open this. Once you're here, scroll down below until you see the download section. So before moving on, you need to find out what kind of system you have. Either it is 32-bit system or 64-bit system. To know that, simply go to your start and type in here for this PC. Here we have this PC, right click it and go to properties. And in properties, against the system type, you can see what kind of system you have. In my case it is 64-bit, but don't worry, I will solve the problem for 32-bit as well as 64-bit. First we will solve the problem for 32-bit systems. For that, simply go and download the 32-bit file. And here it would take a bit of a time, so simply go and wait for it. So once the download is done, simply go to your download section. Here we are, open it, copy this DLL file, go to this PC, go to local disk C, go to Windows and scroll down below until you see syswow64. Open it and paste the 32-bit file here. Go back. Now for 32-bit systems, they can simply restart their PC and their problem will be solved. Now we will solve the problem for 64-bit systems. For 64-bit systems, they need both 32-bit file as well as they need 64-bit file. I have already downloaded the 32-bit file, now I will download 64-bit file. And again, wait a bit for this to complete. And once it is completed, we would go for the solution. Here we go. Now I would be opening the download in new window. Here we are, 32-bit, 64-bit. First go to 32-bit, copy this DLL file, go to your Windows folder in local disk C, scroll down below, go to syswow64, open it and paste the 32-bit file here. Now go back in Windows folder. Now go to your download section, go to 64-bit file, open it up and copy the 64-bit DLL file, go to your Windows and here go to system32, open it up and paste the 64-bit DLL file here. Continue. Go back. Now we have solved the problem for 64-bit operating systems as well. If you still have any confusion regarding the copying and pasting, you can see it here. So hope it has helped you in solving this DLL missing on Windows 10, 7 or 8. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.